All right, so I'm trying to figure out what to do about getting this freewheel off of the wheel. This is the freewheel right here. It says Shimano from Singapore. And I don't know what else there is to say about it. Shimano, the original bike components. But so I have this tool, which is from Bike Hand, and it says, you know, YC1262A, and it almost fits. It's like super close to fitting, but not quite fitting. And I thought, okay, I need the next size down, which is this component, which is the old style Shimano Freewheel Remover. I have no idea if this is an old or new Shimano freewheel, but you know, I bought it and this thing just goes in and it just spins. So that is clearly too small. So I got on my calipers and I measured right here across, you know, the widest part of the inside here. And that looks to be exactly 0.9 and slightly more inches. And then I measure this tool, and that is not that size. It's like just slightly too big. So if I dial it in to measure that, I'm getting like, oh, what am I getting? 0.925 or so. So I'm wondering about this thing. Like, what tool could I possibly need? Or is this thing tapered? Maybe it's in backwards? Is my tool that I'm trying to use to remove it just slightly too big, maybe? This poor guy down there. Would love to figure this out. The other thing I'm wondering about is this ring on the outside here. So I have some tools. Of course, they're not the right size, but I have some tools that look like they are supposed to remove rings like this. Is that what I'm supposed to be doing here? I figured those probably are if you want to actually get these sprockets off, which I don't really need to do. What I need to do is get at the ball bearings inside here, because this thing is kind of seized up and will not turn very well these days, which is causing my son all kinds of problems.